Hey guys, I'm showing you this electric salt and pepper grinder set. It's a 2-pack rechargeable set that don't require any additional battery. This is storage, this is charging cable, and it's a 2-pack. So you can this is like a salt pepper mill grinder or adjustable coarseness with a LED light. One hand operation for kitchen or barbecue or anything else. So this is the manual that shows like all the details, but this is a straightforward operation that you can see and use it. The quality looks really nice for this grinder, and you can see all the details here. This is a USB-C charging, so that's good. So you can put in the USB-C charging here, and you can charge this before use with the USB thing here. So with the USB cable you can charge this. USB-C is pretty thick cable and it's good. And then there are two cables like that for two grinders, and you can open this cover to put in all this your spice material, and you can just start it, and you can see the movement here, so that will grind. And you can set the coarseness from here, so whatever the coarseness or the thing you want. And this is the LED light that will show while it's working, and you can use this the way you want your spices to be grinded, or to what thickness, or whatever the coarseness you want. So there are two grinders like that you can use, and this came with the same set and the same operation. So another cable and two brushes to clean up this grinder. I'm showing you this working. So I'm just putting some spices like the solid ones, and this is the lock button, so you have to just lock it. Set the coarse, like how much coarse particles you need. This is the cover. Just press the button, just doing a little bit low down. This will take a little time for grinding it, and then when you open here, like the spices that you want with the same coarseness that you set. So it's pretty much easy and very nice. You can have the fresh spices grinded every